If you can remember, a few months ago, Joe from, I think it was North Carolina, South Carolina, sent me a 300 TDI engine, gearbox and transmission to take to bits, clean it up and overhaul it and put it right, make it leak proof. In this crate here. In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do, just for a couple of minutes, I'll put the video in of what it was like. Right then, we'll have a little look around this engine. It's lifted up, obviously, and see what it's like. It's not too bad. I asked Joe to wash it off, get all the mud and dirt off it, which he did a good job. So that saves me a lot of power washing. If you've ever observed, I've done these before, but the best way to lift an engine up, like this engine and gearbox, is just on a simple hitch through that back eye. It'll lift it up quite easily. It looks quite dry. Yeah. A bit rusty. Yeah. Oh, he's got all the holes plugged up, which is good. It took a little while to get it out the box. That's not a big deal. Yeah. Oh, that's alright. So what do you want to see what it's like now? Here she be. It's all ready to be boxed back up again. Now, I have just sprayed it with Crown rust proofing. Drink up. Because, you know, like I said, with humidity and things like this, the bolts can go rusty, and it just protects it a bit. And also, it makes the dust stick to it a lot better. But it looks kind of nice. The white sticky stuff on there wasn't getting too excited with the damn thing. It's just I cover everything now with lithium grease to stop it seizing. So just about everything's been done on it, apart from the injection transmission bits and the transfer case. But some of the videos got a bit lost in processing. So let's have a look at the other side. Do a twirl. We've put new hoses on, silicone hoses. They're really nice, I like these. Cleaned all this bit up. Alternator's been in pieces and stripped and checked, and so has the starter. That's all been done as well. This is for Joe's benefit. I've tied on some hoses here at the top, which go into your intercooler. I've put the clips in the corresponding places where they should be, but he was going to get new oil cooler pipes because they were a bit chaffed, the steel pipe. So the clamp that holds it together is here. Alright, I've clamped it to that pipe, and on here, you might not be able to make it out, there's a little tie wrap with 4 O-rings for the oil cooler pipe, just in case you haven't got any. And that's it. It's now, and again, another thing for Joe, there is oil in the engine and there's oil in the transmission, but no oil in the transfer case, because I kept draining it out to put in the other ones after filtering, naturally. So that's it, it's all ready to go. So let's get it boxed up and put to bed. See you later.